We have gone through many videos of speech recognition using Python. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. For that, let us go through the Python file. Speech recognition. First statement, import speech recognition as SR. We need to import speech recognition library, required library. Then second statement, function take command in Hindi. It is used for explicit function to take input command. The next statement, R is equal to SR recognizer to recognize the speech with microphone as source. Then print listening, in the sense read the non-speaking audio. Then next statement, query is equal to R dot recognize underscore Google. It is used for change the language from Google speech recognition. Then next statement, print the query statement, in the sense listening command in English, Indian English. Then explicit exception, try and catch exception. If the proper command is not entered properly, speech is not recognized properly, then try again. And function take command in Hindi, call to the function. Now I will execute the program. Mumbai Indians will win World Cup today. Yes, Mumbai Indians will win World Cup today. Yes, we are successfully done with speech recognition from English to Hindi. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.